If you want to replace this hub bearing using these tools, then you're in the right place. Secure the hub if you're not doing this on the car. This kit uses a press piece to drive the bearing out. Take the large black shoe pieces and fit them around the hub. These are only used for removal. Take the screws and the Allen key. Fit one at the top and one at the bottom. They don't need to be overly tight. This large circular plate fits over the hub face. Take the 4 long pins and place them into the grooves. This then slots into the shoes, creating space for the bearing to be pulled out. Feed the threaded rod through the hole. Make sure everything is central, then fit the press piece. Select the nut from the box, place it on, wind it all the way and hand tighten. Use the ratchet and spanner on the nut and begin winding the bearing out. It doesn't take long before this gets ridiculously tight. I lock the ratchet on the other side and stop it turning. Then I use a breaker bar, I hold the knuckle and I crack the bearing free from its seized position. After a few tight turns, it starts to ease off. At that point, I switch back and I use the ratchet to wind it out quickly. This kit works perfectly on these Volvos. The shoe pieces give the clearance needed to pull the bearing through. Just make sure everything is central before you start. With the bearing now out, scrape any rust from the rear lip so the new bearing can fully seat. Use an abrasive to clean the bore, then brake cleaner and wipe it down. To install the new bearing, select the silver shoes. These are designed to sit around the bearing and only contact the outer race. Bolt them down the same way as before, one either side. Place the bearing into the bore and make sure the shoes are centralized. Take the circular press piece and locate the pins into the grooves on the shoes. Feed the threaded rod through the hole. Take the final press piece and use the deep side against the bore. The indent clears the ABS sensor. With that in position, install the nut, wind it down and hand tighten. Begin winding the bearing in slowly. If it starts to go in tight or uneven, stop and reset it before continuing. A slight misalignment at the start is normal. As long as it straightens out with steady, low torque, that's fine. Don't force it in with a long bar early on. Once it's fully home, give it a final tighten to make sure it's seated properly, then remove the kit. Give it a spin, smooth and ready to go. This one's getting treated to a new disc shield as well, and with that fitted, that's the job complete. If you found value in this video, subscribe and I'll make more content like this.